Hello and welcome, it's Emilia here. I'm glad you're joining me in today's tutorial. I will be creating a beautiful birthday card. It's a card for my friend who loves lavender and blue colors, and for that card I have chosen Prima marketing collection called Aquarelle Dreams. The papers are just stunning. I love the color combos and I love the designs, those flowers and all elements are very, very pretty. A part of the paper part, I'm also using Ephemera from the same collection. The Ephemera pack is full of gorgeous elements, all in coordinates, colors and designs to the papers. I just love the reefs and all those little elements, and my card will be mainly created with those little pieces, plus few handmade flowers and die-cut leaves. I have created my own card base. It's 11 by 20 centimeters. It is unusual size, but I wanted to have wider card and not very tall this time, as I'm trying to challenge myself and create different layouts on the card. I kind of feel that I've been doing the similar compositions for years and I want to do something different this time. So my plan is to create 2 small compositions instead of 1. The first layer of the paper is 0.5 centimeter smaller than the card base, and then the second layer is 1 centimeter smaller than the first layer. Before attaching the second layer, I'm using tracing wheel to add detail to the edges of my card. It creates little holes in the card. It looks like you can use a edge dies if you got spots, lines, whatever, just to add a little detail to the edge. Like I said, it's very barely visible, but you know it's there and I know it's there, so it makes me happy. To embellish the card, I'm using the Ephemera pieces, also some elements cut out of the paper collection, few die-cut leaves and handmade flowers. I make my own flowers, but any flowers would work here. Prima with every collection create the flowers as well, so if you have Prima flowers they will look just amazing here. The leaves I'm using are from my own design, Lady E Design Leaves 8, and all the flowers were also created with my dies. If you want to see more of the designs, I will link to my store below the video. I will be playing with the elements, and I always do that before I will attach anything, and then when I'm kind of happy with the composition or even part of it, I'm starting to adhering it. For these elements I use hot glue, and for some I will use double-sided foam pads to create dimension. Of course, some elements go underneath the others. This way I create layers, and I love layers. I know that some people are afraid of creating layers because they're afraid they will kind of cover the elements which they like. It is a struggle, but if I would like to not to cover any even parts of the elements, you know, I would have to stick everything next to each other, not one on top of the other one. And for me, layering is sticking them one of the top of the other one. Initially I wanted to use the lavender leaves, die-cut leaves, but then I changed my mind because the leaves were barely visible among the flowers, and all those colors. That's why I decided to die-cut white leaves, and I think they look very well here. And to finish off my card, I'm going to add some glitter micro beads, micro stones. Actually, these are polystyrene balls. I buy them in a pack in the winter. These are in my local shop, comes as a artificial snow. So I always buy few packs and I use them all the year round. And then the last will be to add a little bit of paint on the clock. This is the resin clock. It was too white for me, and I thought I need to add a little bit of color, and then I will add some splats of black and white paint, and this will be it. I absolutely love that card, and I hope you will like it as well. And I really would like to inspire you to create something similar. If you have the Ephemera pack from Prima, try to layer the elements because it looks absolutely beautiful. I want to thank you very, very much for joining me today and for watching my videos. If you like the card, please leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very, very much. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.